Welcome to the Novel Factory. We're so happy to have you here. Thousands of writers have used the Novel Factory to make great leaps and bounds forwards in their writing, and we very much hope you are about to join them. I know you're probably keen to dive in, but I'd like to give you a couple of pointers to make sure you can get started on the right foot and can launch into the software smoothly. The first thing that you need to know about is the main navigation bar. This can be found on the left-hand side of the screen. You use this navigation to move around your novel project, moving swiftly between scenes, characters, locations, and the rest. This navigation bar can be expanded so you can see the names of the different sections while you're getting to know the software. Then collapsed when you're more familiar and would like it to take up a bit less room. The next thing to note is that on most pages, you will find sidebars on the left and right with useful and supporting information. These can also be collapsed or expanded using these tabs.
We also provide a very detailed help manual, which can be accessed via the user menu in the top right.
Finally, if you ever get stuck using the software and you're not sure how to do something, look out for these icons. The Mortarboard will give you writing advice related to whatever section of the Novel Factory that you're looking at. The information icon will give you technical advice regarding how to use the software on that section. That's all for now, but as you first move around the software, you will be presented with more of these short videos to explain how to get the most out of the software.